Hello friends, in today's session we are going to learn about the functionality of a checkbox include reg sub. Let's get started. Let us open an existing case and navigate to the additional information section. Let us enter a classification. Click on the attach file. Click on browse button and attach any PDF report. Click on OK. You can notice a checkbox appearing beside the icon. Let us enter a description. Now let us enter another report. This time we are going to attach a Word document. You will notice there is no checkbox beside the icon. Let us add another report. This time we are going to attach a JPEG file. You can observe that there is no checkbox beside the JPEG icon. So this checkbox appears only beside the PDF report. Now let us save the case and let's navigate to the Regulatory Reports tab. Now let us schedule a new report. Here we have to select the reports as shown on the screen. Let us select Scions for this demo. Let's save the case. Now let us try to view the report in a draft format. We will observe that the one-page report has been generated. Let us close this window. Now let's navigate to the additional information section. Now let us check this particular checkbox. Save the case. Let's navigate to the Regulatory Reports tab and click on the draft report. Let's go to the report. You will observe now it's a 7-page document. So what happens when we check this particular checkbox? The PDF report gets appended to the paper report and is submitted to the authority or the partner. Thank you for watching. Please do take good care of yourself.